Well, we're tracking a quiet start as we get into this morning, but that may try to change later on today. Latest run of Future Track again, kind of holding up some of the moisture in some of our far western counties as some of that starts to push back in. I'm not expecting anything in terms of widespread rain, but around that Highway 65 corridor certainly could get wet here as we get into the morning hours. That'll pivot, though, as we get into this afternoon, into the evening, down in some of our more southwestern counties. Again, this storm system's largely trying to avoid us, and I think it's doing a pretty good job at that as we get into tonight. But where we do hang on to some of this moisture as we get on the other side of about midnight, may change some of that over to some snowflakes here in some of our far southern counties. Might pick up a light dusting. That's probably about the ceiling with this system here across mid-Missouri. And again, it's going to be down around Camdenton, Fort Leonard Wood, places like I-44. That could be maybe expecting a light dusting later on tonight into tomorrow morning. But most of us here in mid-Missouri are going to be staying dry from this system. A few flurries certainly possible throughout the day on Thursday, but that is probably about the absolute most to expect out of this storm system. Latest look at Snow Tracker again kind of highlights that idea. It's not missing us by much, but south central Missouri could pick up a few inches down that direction. Again, largely the reason for this avoiding us, or doing a pretty good job at avoiding us, is this high pressure system is going to start to build in around the Great Lakes region back toward Wisconsin and Michigan and kind of funnel some of that drier air back our direction, kind of hold up the proceedings as we go into the next 24 to 36 hours. Over the next couple of days, though, again, temperature is going to take a step back into the 30s as we get into Thursday, Friday, Saturday, even right on through this weekend. And largely, again, that jet stream well off to our south is to blame for that. And it looks like it's going to be there to stay all the way through this weekend. Might find a few breaks in that as we get into Monday and Tuesday. Maybe some more sunshine headed our direction might help matters out. Temperatures, though, again, those upper 30s by Monday to start out next work week. Otherwise, going to be looking at a fairly quiet stretch of weather, looking at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast.